Hand soap. We use it every day without thinking about it. There are many brands of hand soap, but which one is the best? Up next on Soap Stars. When soaps fight to the death, which one will prevail? Let's find out on Soap Stars. When looking for soap, there's a few main factors you have to look for. That's the scent, the feeling, and how moisturized you feel. So we came up with an experiment to test these factors. For our procedure, we put our hands in a bucket of mud to get them all dirty. We put 1 pump of the soap on our hands, and then we wash them for 7 seconds, and then we dry them for 4.
The brands that we ended up using were Dove, Bath & Body Works, Soft Soap, Dial, Family Dollar, and Method.
Alright, so we found that the most common chemical was sodium chloride, where the formula is just NaCl, and the molecular weight is 58.43 grams per mole.
I realize now.
It was in all 6 of the soaps. The other most common chemicals were citric acid and tetrasodium EDTA.
After trying out each soap, we ranked them on a 1 to 10 scale on how clean our hands looked, how clean they felt, how pleasing the scent was, and how moisturized we felt after. Then we averaged our scores together.
6, 7, 2, 3, 4.
Here's our results.
As you can see from our final results, Michael's favorite soap was Soft Soap. Tim's favorite soap was Bed Bath & Body Works. And Devin's favorite soap was Family Dollar. As you can see, the most consistently high scent was the Bed Bath & Body Works one, which I believe was one of the main reasons it became our best. The green bar represents the average of our scores, and Bed Bath & Body Works had the highest score, Dial had the lowest score.
So this is the graph for our experiment results. Down here is the cost per fluid ounce. We figured out like how much each bottle costs per fluid ounce was in them. And then this is the performance scale, so 1 being the worst and 10 being the best. The green straws, the green paper around the straws means that those were the safest soaps in terms of the HMIS scale and the like chemicals used in them. The yellow ones were the ones that were like in the middle, like pretty safe, and then the red ones were the ones that were like the least safe or like the most hazardous in terms of the HMIS scale. So the best soap that we had in terms of the performance rating was the Bath & Body Works one, and it got an average of 8.7 overall with like all of our averages combined. And it was a $1.11 per fluid ounce that we figured out. And down here is Dial. It was the worst rated one overall at 6.08, like average, and it was 72 cents per fluid ounce. So it was less than the Bath & Body Works one by like 50 cents almost, like 40 cents. But the record, the performance rating was down like over 2 points. And then over here we have the Soft Soap, which got a 7.8 performance rating, and it was 13 cents per fluid ounce, so it was the cheapest one that we had, like by far. But the performance rating, it's like pretty much in the middle, so it was really cheap, and it was also like a pretty decent soap overall. If you're wondering which soap we recommend for you consumers to buy, the Dove soap has a pretty good performance rating from all of us, and it's only 71 cents per fluid ounce, and it's also in the safest category, meaning that there's really just no harm can be done when using it. But I mean, if you don't really care about safety and you want something cheaper and with a better rating, go for the Soft Soap, because it's 13 cents per fluid ounce and it had a 7.08 performance rating average from all of us. But it is the least safe, so I mean, if you like eat it or something bad could happen. But like, if you don't care, then just do that.